Alright. Oh, it's here. Alright, this is an elevator at Target at Pacific Place Mall.
Pacific View.
Pacific. It looks like someone called it because one got pressed.
No, Target thing. All Targets do that.
Okay, hopefully people don't get on.
Innovation security buttons.
I know. Let's switch sides.
Okay, no one called it.
Okay. Well, regardless, I'm going to get my view here. If people don't like it, too bad for them. Let's get off either here or one if anyone called it. Nope. What are you doing?
Oh, you gotta ride the other one. Listen to that.
What's so special
Listen to
about
that.
it?
It has a flat spot on the wheel. Oh, that's gonna sound epic, Annie.
Okay. We'll get this one. Okay, we'll take this down to one.
You hear that?
Yeah. Someone called it.
Look at the other one first.
I'm gonna stop on one.
Okay. I just want to ride this up. I gotta hear it.
Okay.
I'll come back down here.
Sure. Bye-bye.